First class, may I fly down for the boat for the village. First class. First class. I fly down the boat for the village.
Okay, Conrad.
Welcome viewers and subscribers. Don't forget to like up the video, you know. Give video one like, please and thanks. Yeah man, you don't know upper Spalding good yesterday guys, and you know enough people are fly down guys, they might come down for both for PAP, but you still can't judge it that way there, you see me, because two sides strong, you see me? But the man here talk up some things still, I say, I give a reason why you know for both for JLP, so here what I'm to say, and tell me what you think in the comment section.
I'm not a politics business. But you see, the politician insist on a done something for us poor people. Andrew Holness, I know me sister use a drone in man and grab off a straw. You understand? You see it. You say you're going to raise minimum wage to 32,000, right? People think about it and stop going like you're dumb. Poor people are not going to suffer. The small business people are going to suffer. Because first thing, if business owner them, I'm going to let go some of my workers them. Because them now going to have it to pay everybody. The next thing, them have to raise the food prices, gas, everything have to raise to pay the workers them. No for go out of a job. Uno go suffer. I poor people I'm gonna feel it. Oh God, Donald Crawford I go explain to you. Uno tag Donald Crawford. Him alone can go explain to you. Yo,
So viewers and subscribers, may I say this election different from other election. You see me say the foreigner them a fly down terrible. You hear what man just say, put your thought in the comment section and tell me what you think, guys. And you know, them a say next Prime Minister after Mark Golding will be Damian Crawford. You see me, because he have ability, you see me? Tell me what you think, guys. Put it comment put your thought in the comment section, you see me? Remember to drop a like on the video. So the business lady have something to say important too, you see me? Say for have no heads on nobody. Cause you see them like a raise where them say them a raise the thing that raise no pay. Enough people are gonna lose them work. Here what she have to say, guys.
Election time, I'm just say this. Tell me if I'm wrong. This, whenever you Jamaicans, look here, election time, I'm just say this. Tell me if I'm wrong. This, whenever you vote in my life, I'm not vote. Because at the end of the day, I still have to find money for pay for my business, find much money for feed my people and do everything by myself. But for the people who want to have knowledge and sense, because I'm just a lick on the pot couple and blow on, and the people who go left, after September the 3rd. Listen to this.
Our third term, we will double the minimum wage from $16,000 what we are carrying to now, adding almost equivalent to $32,000.
So, the Labour them say JLP say, because I'm not picking side, I never yet vote. I'm going to move, if them win, they're going to move minimum wage from 16 and double it to 32,000. I know some enough people not even get $16,000. So, if you double it now, because remember now them I promise everybody for voting after on the voting now, then they must do nothing. That means say you could have been a pay people more than the $16,000, but you're not doing that. You understand me? No, people don't have to think. Not because you don't do business, but I open it and break it, open up on the head and break it down too. No. If the minimum wage raised to $36,000 weekly, I get $36,000. You know how much money that a month? If in give that we still have to put it out in a food, tax I go kill with her, everything I go raise up. Everything I raise, I understand enough people don't really know, and the smart people are going to get fired and laid off. Them are going to send home people, because if you used to have 20 somebody in your shop, you have to pay each of them $36,000 weekly. If a 100 person employ, listen, it now going to work out good. People are going to get fired, people are going to go up, and I feel like people are going to crime rate are going to go up because people are going to thief, the gorillas, them are going out there. So if him say I'm going to pay that, tax are going to kill me, people are going to lose them job because them can't go pay your boss, them now can't pay you how much money, 36,000, how much somebody are going to pay 36,000 per week. Tax are going to kill you, and enough people don't really know that, but when you get up and blow the hand them, and ready for go vote, you know. On the next side, PMP said me know what going over there. But me just say, everybody has sweet mouth and whatever. And just listen, one of you do get up and go look at job and start something for yourself. Start one local business for yourself, because at the end of the day, when you jump up for them by the 3rd of September, Wednesday, after Wednesday, on the nasty them the business bono. Them are feeding into things so them can get power. And you notice a big building and go up and with how much bank account the people them have. How much things, peer, some of them are being scheme house. So them are going to name up the money, the $36,000, it a go grab on account of hunger, and some of we are dead for hunger, well not me, you know. I only need the $36,000 a week time, but tax I go killing you. The food I go raise, the price of everything I go up. Like open my eye and just listen to what he must say. I listen to the other party and make on the best decision. But remember, if you don't go vote, if PNP no go vote, Labour go win. If Labour no go, so people, me can't tell you that. Me not voting, but me just say, if you don't vote, nobody vote because of ignorance. Vote for make the country better. That's all me I say. Because this, if you ever say I moved from 16,000, enough people now get 16,000 and much as you got 36. That means you could have been giving us more then. Because listen to him I say. And look what the people them with it for the 36,000 because they don't know better. And them know say the price of everything will go up.
In our first budget, the minimum wage will move from 16,000 to 18,500 and then gradually after that for the next 2 years.
So for the next 2 years, so if I go 18, then gradually it $36,000 a week. Nobody not pay nobody that. And if them do at who somebody go work in our supermarket then. Imagine a supermarket with one whole heap of people are working there. Eh? You listen to me now, Jamaica must know no one. Me not have nothing because at the end of the day my business still have to run. That's why I'm working. Because if you have got pay much people to work for you know how much money that? Eh? And then tax about kill us up. Me tell you now, me say it's 2026. Everything will get expensive. Everything it can't get no better. They must think we in a hole and we need to open one eye. I'm in a business with me in a jail, nor PN, none of them. I just open the people in eye. Like the single man of them and so. The people when I work with, I walk up and I'm going to blow on back of them for the look of $5 grand and something. But I know, you don't need to beg from now. I have 2 more days to beg. Oh, Jamaicans, look here, election.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, you think of that? Right now, I'm not listening to some man where I'm talking. Talk up some key points about the pressure that the taxi man go through, you know? Yeah, man, the Wallipper ticket and all of that, the expensive ticket, John was rough. It really did rough for real. So, when I know, guys, I want to make a decision, you know? Yeah, man.
A lot of taxi man in Greenbank, and it really pains my heart as a taxi man to see those persons that have been deceived so bad in Greenbank, walking, driving. Remember, you know, when you go to court now with a $500 ticket, which would be a seatbelt ticket before, that ticket now is for $5,000 in court. So if you get a seatbelt ticket now, which is a $2,000 ticket, because they move it and put it at $2,000, if you miss that, tax office date, you're gonna have to go to court, and when you do, you're gonna have to pay a fine of $5,000, and that's what the taxi man them are facing. If you get any form of ticket for value $5 grand, you're looking at over $15,000 to $25,000 when you go to court. If you get one of those $10,000 ticket, you're looking at a whole heap of money if you miss tax office date. So what I'm saying to my fellow taxi man and bus drivers that are out there, are you comfortable with the labor right increase, the JLP increase on tickets? Next thing again, are you comfortable in the way the police officers treat you on the road as a taxi man? Since you don't know how to vote, I'm going to teach you how to vote. This is how you vote. Before you go to the poll, this is what you do. You basically just sit down and observe and remember all the things that have happened within the 5 years or 10 years that your government is in power. And then you judge them by that. It's not known 10 grand or known 20 grand. Take that and say, well, me get a money, me can run up here, my partner. Me deal the partner, me can run up here. Me want money for my rent or me can go put something for my car loan. But how many of that $20,000 that MP will give you throughout the 5 years to pay on that car loan, to pay on your rent, to pay your daily partner? You need a country that is affordable for everyone. Meaning that the money where you work, it is affordable to spend it back to benefit you and your family. Meaning that when you go to the supermarket, one $10,000 can pick up some things and bring home for you and your family. When you go to the hardware, you have to buy one, you can't say decking, and you have to buy one plywood. Because you can't buy the 12 sheet of plywood where them say they go buy. So you buy one. I'm just wondering if these taxi men that I see in these green bands, if you literally forget that you've been driving on the same road for 10 years, that they're just watching 3 days before election. 3 days before election. 3 days before the 10 years is up. They're patching the road that you spend money out of your pocket by parts, shocks, ball joint, tire of them. How much tire you bust? How much rims you bust up and every time you got a rim shop or fix back? How much tire you bust and have to patch and some of the money tell you say you can't patch. So you have to go buy back one brand new tire again. All of them they say they got no tire yet. How much time you have your nice cookie will low up on the ground, but you end up dropping on one pothole and you fuck up. Sorry, my language. I'm so displeased. And you mess up the whole of your bumper. I hole too deep, the tank, when I road. All of the road them wanna drive and now, I campaign with them. You see how much pothole in the road same way, and they're driving and it doing campaign. When PJ was in power, PJ go through the country and patch every hole, clean every roadside, do a bare road work around. And then he call the election and run it and win it back. You know, see PJ, I travel on no road, when no fix. He go through and deal with every road before he come through. These persons are on the road. On the road that they don't fix, campaigning for next term. This year, 1 year, after every taxi man in Jamaica. This is the type of leadership you want? This is the type of government you want? You see, Andrew is acting so desperate. Because you see the meat on mobile. And him see the lows. So when him call him and tell him on mobile, Andrew Holness run. Go talk outside and go put on 100%. Sorry, increase on minimum wage. 100%. Teacher only want 2% that can get. Police want raise. Soldier want raise. Nurse want raise. Teacher want raise. And you decided that if you win back, you're going to put minimum wage at 30,000. Who is going to hire those persons to pay them 32,000? Who is going to hire them? Persons who are doing helping job now. Who is going to hire them and pay them 32,000 when you're not working that 32,000? You come to pay them. All of the person where they look shop, where I want to go somebody in every week. How they going to pay that person? They're going to go in the shop themselves. What can sell in a shop to pay somebody 32,000? Are you a madman? Jamaicans, all I tax the man and the boss man in Jamaica. You really want to vote back for a madman? You guys really want to put him back a madman? You don't want to vote for a madman? Because this man is a madman. He is so much of a dictator that he lost focus of the true leadership that the country deserves. We want a leader that has sense and think positive, think ahead, think to benefit our nation, our kids, our future kids, our generation to come. We need a leader who have good leadership skills, who know how to conduct and coordinate and put things together to benefit all Jamaica. On election day, this September 3rd, this Wednesday coming, make sure every taxi man in Jamaica who me talk to, go in there, go mark the X squarely beside the head and don't make no mistake. You can't live so. You can't live in a country so taxi man. You can't live so. Time come to vote for change. And you get 2 terms, that's enough. That is enough. He has his chance and he make it slide through him and gone. There's no more chance. That is it. Done. Finished. Comprehend.